EPB allows for convenient and safe parking. To activate EPB manually, step on the brake pedal and pull the EPB switch. Press the switch to deactivate it while auto hold is activated. Turning off the vehicle. Or shifting to P automatically activates EPB. Shifting out of P automatically deactivates EPB. If you have difficulty braking with the brake pedal to stop the vehicle, pull the switch to activate emergency braking until the vehicle comes to a halt. Emergency braking may result in a longer braking distance. Use only in emergencies.
Kia. Movement that inspires.